Effective 15 July 2021, Brigadier General Kenyon K. Bell relinquishes command of the 82nd Training Wing. And effective 15 July 2021, Brigadier General Lyle Drew assumes command of the 82nd Training Wing, Sheppard Air Force Base, Texas. Signed, Andrea D. Tullis, Major General, Commander, 2nd Air Force.
Like any great story, as one chapter ends, a new one begins with boundless opportunities. But no one person can write this alone. It takes a team. I look forward to the strong and continued partnership with our elected and community leaders. We cannot produce combat capability without you. To the airmen of the 82nd, we are in a great power competition, and that starts here each day with the quality of training we provide thousands of airmen, soldiers, sailors, and Marines here and around the world. If we are going to accelerate, change, and not lose, we need to find new and innovative ways to improve how we train and develop the next generation of American airmen. What you produce will decide how strong our Air Force will be. We will not win tomorrow's wars with merely our technology and machines. We will win it with the greatest weapon system we've ever had, and that's our airmen. Combat capability starts here. Always aim high.